The question that we're all most likely asking ourselves, right, is what is going to happen now in crypto? It just seems like every single day we get more and more bad news. We just get something else that happens. And this is obviously all directly correlated and a result of the FTX scenario, the contagion that is the fallout from the largest criminal fraud scenario ever in crypto. That's what we're going to talk about in this video. Thank you for giving a few minutes of your time to watch this video. Welcome to the ClearCryptos channel. My name is Austin Hilton. I have my own YouTube channel, but I also believe fundamentally so much in the ClearCryptos project that I create content for this channel as well. This is an amazing project that is about a month old from a launch standpoint. Been in development for 2 years, 175 plus people behind the scenes working. And this project is going to go a lot of places. You might want to check it out. Links in the description below. Check them all out. So what is going to happen now in crypto? Let's take a look real quickly at kind of at the overall market. We've got this situation where we're at an $800 billion market cap. That's where we're at. And we are all waiting to see kind of what's going to happen. Hey, what's going to be the next black swan event? Is there going to be a black swan? Is there going to be an exchange go out of business in the next 10 minutes? Are they going to become insolvent? Can we not pull our assets off of them? Fear, uncertainty, and doubt. That is what is wrong with crypto right here, right now. And it's a direct result of all of the fear that's been created by the FTX fear. We don't trust anything anymore. And that's where we're at. That's the bad news. A little bit more bad news. We're not out of it yet. We're not out of these woods yet. We still have ways to go here. Okay. We know that we're going to still be in this situation. There's going to be more fallout from this. Look, I'm going to show you this. Look right here. Pension giant Ontario Teachers plans to write off all $95 million invested in crypto exchange FTX. FTX owes its largest creditor $226 million. Top 50 owed total of about $3.1 billion. Right here. Is Genesis going to go out of business? Well, they needed $1 billion of an injection. They didn't get it. To the best of my knowledge, Genesis is going to be most likely done. The fallout continues. Okay, so what's going to happen now? What's going to be the next scenario? We could go lower. And this is not a doom and gloom video. This is really not meant to be that. Here's the thing I would say to you. There's always an opportunity. There's always a glass half full scenario. Is this not fun anymore right now? No, it's not fun. Are we out of the woods yet? No, we're not. Are we still in the rough waters? Yes, we are. But are they going to last forever? No, they're not. Okay. So what is going to happen now in crypto? We have more stuff to go through to deal with the FTX scenario. That's simply probably going to last the remainder of 2022, maybe into the first part of 23. Sorry, but that's probably the reality of it, because we're going to continue to see this company or that company step up and go this or that or whatever it is. It's just all part of it. Okay. Beyond that, though, there's a larger opportunity. And the opportunity is this. And this is definitely not investing advice. The opportunity is that if we go lower, which is possible, major buying opportunities abound. Not investing advice, but be looking for opportunities to DCA in for blue chips and diversify and add low cost positions. Check them out. That's what I got for you. If you haven't already done so, hit that subscribe button below. Clear here. Clear's channel is here to help you navigate crypto and help you just know more. That's what I got for you. I'll see you.